Chase Custom Creations is sponsored by Bits and Bits. Use the code JBates to save 10% off your next router bit or CNC bit purchase at bitsbits.com.
Yeah! The wheels on the bus go round and round.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
Ah, look at that. That is so cool.
Isn't this fun? This was such a fun little project, something that I don't typically do. No plans for this. I just came out to the shop and made it based upon I guess the proportions of the camper. Well, I guess you can see the back door of the camper right there. This is modeled after our Gulfstream G28 toy hauler camper. So we went to Texas not too long ago, a couple weeks ago, and it was so much fun having our first camping trip with the toy hauler because the back garage area of the toy is just a big flex space. Do whatever you want to do in it. And I thought, you know what, that would be a perfect, not complicated design to build her, my daughter, a little dollhouse camper thing. And this is what I came up with. No plans, just built it off the fly, trying to not spend any money and use everything that I had here in the shop. So the wheels are old drawer pulls from 2012, 2013-ish, when I had my first shop in an apartment complex. It's weird how you hold on to stuff. I found these in the trash. And then I have some latches back here for the door. Isn't that neat? The door folds down. I use some of that kitchen drawer liner padding for the hinge. Just some super glue and staples to kind of reinforce it a little bit. But that's a pretty neat lightweight hinge that seems to be working quite well. And it's functional. You know, you can mess with these hinges, and then this lid, the AC unit is the handle to pull the lid off. And in all reality, this is just going to live its life in my daughter's closet. She'll probably leave it off so she can play on the inside. I didn't make any beds or anything on the inside because she has a crazy amount of that little doll furniture type stuff that she's probably going to want to put in here. I thought about making the doors functional, but the less moving parts, the less the 4-year-old will break it. I thought about making a little bolt right here for a trailer jack or the tongue jack. And well, no bolts or anything like that, because that's just more stuff to get snagged on stuff. And I had some little itty bitty chain I was going to use for some for some safety chains here. In the end, I talked myself out of all that to just keep it simple. She's going to abuse this. She's going to have a lot of fun with this. And now I'm ready to go give it to her. So she knows I was making her something, but she doesn't quite know what. So I think the best internal microphone that I have for any camera is this GoPro. I'm going to try and catch her reaction on the GoPro. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Oh, one last thing. This is just a whitewash stain. And I initially planned on coating everything with shellac to kind of keep it less dirty. But for whatever reason, I don't have any shellac. So on the base or the frame, I used an ink that gets really dusty and it rubs off really well. So I did have to seal it, and I luckily had the very last little bit of some spray lacquer. So the base is sealed. That's it. I think I'm going to kind of let it get dirty, you know. Oh, and on the other side, so windows and doors on this side, right? On the other side, I left it intentionally blank because 2 reasons. Number one, she's really only going to use it from one side, I think. And number 2, she loves stickers. We like collecting stickers from different places that we go. Everybody seems like that has a camper puts stickers of the different states that we've been to. So here is a beautiful canvas for her to put her own stickers. This is just so much fun. I've got to shut up and go show her now. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Too big too? Well, that's fine. They can sit down inside it. You have some other dolls for all of this other stuff over here that's smaller. Yeah, they can fit when they sit down.
Yeah. I got to be...
Oh, you got a vanity in there already? Makeup vanity?
What's vanity?
This, the makeup vanity. The makeup station?
Yep.
Because dolls have to be pretty, right? Okay. So where are you guys going to go camping at?
We're going to Hagedog.
Hagedog?
Hagedog.
Hagedog? That sounds like hot dog.
Hagedog.
Okay.
Well, since you kicked me out there, I'm just going to be in the back. I need to sit where the makeup is. Well. Sorry, I'm having to flipped a little bit. Thank you.
Oh, they're already sleeping in here, huh?
Uh-uh.
Oh, they're not sleeping? They're just along for the ride?
Yep.
Yep. Remember, the red handle has to come out first. There you go. That's right. Now push it back. There you go. Got it.
The same thing over here.
Same thing over there.
People, come in right now. Okay. Well, we have to put their clothes. Miss.
Why don't you keep playing while I go cook us some lunch? Does that sound good? Yeah. Okay. Love you.
Or girls, if you need something.
I love you too, Dad.